All right, let's talk about the importance of planning. Imagine you're getting ready to make a delicious cake. Before you start mixing ingredients, you look at the recipe to make sure you have everything you need and know the steps. This is a bit like what businesses do when they make a plan. Planning is like a recipe for success. It helps businesses know what to do and how to do it, just like how people bake cakes, following a recipe. So here's why business planning is so important. It shows the way. Planning is like a map that guides a business. Just like you need directions to find your way, a business needs a plan to reach its goals. It also reduces stress. Imagine having a big project due and waiting until the last minute. That is so stressful. Planning ahead helps businesses avoid stress by being prepared. It also helps you set clear goals. A plan helps businesses set these goals just like having a goal to win a game. It's like saying, we want to sell 100 items this month. Well, how do you do that? You need to plan for that. It helps you organize time too. With a plan, businesses know when to do different things. It's like having a schedule that helps them use their time wisely. A business plan also helps you get ready. Just like athletes practice before a game, businesses plan ahead for challenges. They think about what could go wrong and then how to be ready for those things. And it makes big goals easier. Big goals can feel overwhelming, like climbing a huge mountain. Planning breaks the big goal into smaller steps, taking one little step at a time. It also is going to help you build your confidence. When businesses or you have a plan, you will feel more confident because you'll know what to do. Each step you complete will boost your confidence. It also sparks creativity. Planning is also about being creative. Businesses need to think of smart ways to succeed, just like figuring out new flavors for ice cream.